Hi everyone, this is Krishna of Maths IIT faculty. Last class we discussed compound angles and its problems. In this class we have to discuss multiple angles and submultiple angles. See here, if A is an angle, then 2A, 3A, 4A up to so on are called the multiple angles of A. A is an angle, then 2A, 3A, 4A, like a tables, 2 table, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, that like only, this is also multiples. Now here A is an angle, then A by 2 and A by 3 and 2A by 3 and 4A by 3 and 5A by 4 are called the submultiple angles. Now here first one here 2A and 3A, according to our syllabus we have to express in terms of trigonometry functions. See here 2A express in terms of trigonometry ratios. See here, first one you can take here sin 2A. Sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A cos A or 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. Now we have to prove that this is first one. Actually we know that sin A plus B formula, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Let B is equal to A, you can write here. B instead of you can write here A, then sin A plus A is equal to sin A cos A plus cos A into sin A. Now sin A plus A is equal to sin 2A, sin A cos A and sin A cos A. How many times? 2 times we can write here. 2 sin A cos A. This is the first proof. And second proof we have to see here. Sin 2A is equal to sin A cos A, as which you have to write here. Then both the numerator and denominator you have to multiply and divide by cos A. Now see here. This sin A by, you can write here this cos A, sin A by cos A into cos A, cos square A. Now see here, sin A by cos A is equal to tan A into, this is write as 1 by secant square A. But we know that one identity, secant square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. Now this tan square A send that side. Secant square A is equal to 1 plus tan square A. Now you can write here tan A by 1 plus tan square A. Here we forget here 2. Okay, this is 2 sin A cos A. Now this is 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. This is the another form. Note down this one. Next cos 2A. Next cos 2A, second one is cos 2A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or 2 cos square A minus 1 or 1 minus 2 sin square A or 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. Now we have to prove that first one is, see here, cos A plus B, we know that cos A plus B formula is equal to cos A cos B plus minus sin A sin B. Now let B is equal to A. B instead of you can write here A, then cos A plus A is equal to cos A cos A. This is also cos A minus sin A into sin A. Now you can write here cos A plus A is equal to cos 2A is equal to cos A into cos A, cos square A minus sin square A. This is first proof. Now we know that the identity sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Then here sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. At the same time cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. Now here cos square A minus, here sin square A instead of, you can write here 1 minus cos square A, 1 minus cos square A. Now this is minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus, minus into minus plus, then 2 cos square A minus 1. Okay, same you can take it. This is second proof, and third proof is here cos 2A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Here cos square A, instead of you can write here 1 minus sin square A, 1 minus sin square A minus sin square A is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square A. This is third proof. Next one is cos 2A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Now we have to prove that this is in terms of tan. Multiplied both numerator and denominator by cos square A by cos square A. Now you can write here cos square A by cos square A minus sin square A by cos square A into this cos square A. Now see here, this is cancel 1, this is sin by cos means here tan square A, and this is write as 1 by secant square A. Here also you can apply here secant square A minus tan square A is equal to 1, then say secant square is equal to 1 plus tan square A. 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. This is the third proof. Note down. Next one is third one is tan 2A. Tan 2A is equal to 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. See here 1 plus tan square A means this is sin 2A. Here 1 minus tan square A means this is tan 2A. Now you can write here tan 2A, tan A plus B formula you can write here tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Here also let B is equal to A. Okay, B instead of you can write here A, then tan A plus A is equal to tan A plus tan A whole by 1 minus tan A into tan A. Now this is write as tan A plus tan A 2 tan A by 1 minus tan A into A tan square A. Here tan A plus A 2A. Now you can write here 3A expressed in terms of trigonometric ratios. See here 3A how it is. Sin 3A is equal to 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. This is correct or not, we have to check here. Actually we know that sin A plus B formula, here 3A is right as A plus 2A. Again you can apply sin A plus B formula, sin A cos B, sin A cos B minus plus cos A sin B. Now again you can rewrite here sin A, here cos 2A in terms of sin. Sin means 1 minus 2 sin square A plus here cos A into sin 2A formula 2 sin A into cos A. Now you can multiply here sin A into 1 sin A minus 2 sin cube A plus this is 2 sin A into cos A into cos A cos square A. Cos square A is right as in terms of sin means 1 minus sin square A. Now sin A minus 2 sin cube A plus 2 sin A minus 2 sin square A into sin A sin cube A. Now see here sin A plus 2 sin A 3 sin A minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 sin cube A. This is the proof of sin 3A. Note down. Next one is cos 3A. Cos 3A is equal to 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. Then this proof you have to see here. Cos 3A is right as A plus 2A. Then this is cos A plus B formula, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A cos 2A minus sin A into sin 2A. Now see here cos A into cos 2A in terms of cos means here 2 cos square A minus 1 minus sin A into sin 2A 2 sin A into cos A. Now see here 2 cos square A into cos A is equal to 2 cos cube A minus cos A. Here this is 2 times of sin into A, sin A, sin A, sin square A is right as 1 minus cos square A into cos A. Again rewrite this one, 2 cos cube A minus cos A, multiply the 2 cos A into 1 minus 2 cos A, minus it minus plus 2 cos cube A. Now see here, this is 2 plus 2, 4 cos cube A minus this is 3 cos A. Now we have to discuss tan 3A. Tan 3A is equal to 3 tan A minus tan cube A by 1 minus 3 tan square A. Okay, now see here, again you can write same as this, tan A plus 2A is equal to tan A plus B formula, tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Here tan A plus tan 2A whole by 1 minus tan A into tan 2A. See, this is right as tan A plus tan 2A is right as 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A whole by 1 minus tan A into 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square. Now you can write here, take here LCM, tan A minus tan cube A, tan A into tan cube A plus 2 tan A. Here this denominator cancel after taking the LCM, then you can write here 1 into 1 minus here tan square A minus here 2 tan A, 2 into tan A into tan A tan square A. Now this is right as here tan A plus 2 tan A, 3 tan A minus tan cube A whole by 1 minus tan square A, here 2 tan square A, 3 tan square A. Note down this formula. Okay, now we have to discuss submultiple angles of same 2A, 3A. See here, actually sin 2A instead of you can write here A. Actually first you can write here sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A cos A or 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. Here 2A instead of you can write here A by 4. Here 2A is equal to some B you can write here. 2A is equal to some x you can write here. A is equal to x by 2. Then here x by 2. Then sin 2A instead of here x by 2 means here theta or x by theta you can take here. Sin theta is equal to 2 sin theta by 2 and cos theta by 2. Next one is here 2 tan theta by 2 by 1 minus tan square theta by 2. Understand clearly? Okay, already I proved this each and everything. Just I will write the submultiple angles of cos theta is equal to cos square theta by 2 and sin square theta by 2. Once again listen, here 2A is equal to, you can write here theta, then A is equal to, here write here theta by 2. Here this is a submultiple angle, this is multiple, this is submultiple. Okay, then A where it is given, then you can write here theta by 2. Understand? Now in terms of cos means here 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1, and in terms of sin means 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. In terms of tan means 1 minus tan square theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. This is a cos theta. And tan theta. Tan theta is equal to, in terms of submultiple angles, 2 tan theta by 2 by 1 minus tan square theta by 2. Here plus, here minus. Now this is the submultiple angles. Note down. Now we have to find the sin 18 degrees value. Here theta is equal to 18 degrees. Then we have to find the sin 18 degrees. How it is means, see here. I will multiply either side by 5. 5 into theta is equal to 5 theta. 5 into 18 is equal to 90 degrees. Now this 5 theta I will rewrite as 2 theta plus 3 theta is equal to 90. Now this 3 theta or 2 theta side that side. Now 2 theta is equal to 90 minus 3 theta. Now I will apply this is sine either side. Then sine 2 theta is equal to sine of 90 minus 3 theta. Then sine of 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta, cos 3 theta. This is sine 2 theta. Now you can write here sine 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta cos theta. And this is write as 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Then this is also sent that side 4 cos cube theta, and this is sent that side, and you can take the cos theta common, and 4 cos square theta minus this is 2 cos sin theta minus 3 okay, then it is equal to 0. Now cos theta is equal to 0, then this is not possible, then 4 cos square theta 4 into this is right as 1 minus sin square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta identity 1, that's why here cos square theta instead of you can write here 1 minus sin square theta minus 2 into sin theta minus 3 is equal to 0. Now you can write here 4 ones are 4 sin square theta minus 2 sin theta minus 3, then you can multiply it by minus, then 4 sin square theta plus 2 sin theta, then 4 minus 3 is equal to 1, then this is minus 1 is equal to 0 after multiplying minus. Now you can write here factors here sin theta is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square 2 square 4 and 4ab b square minus 4ac here 4 into 1 4 into 4 16 plus 16 by 2 into 4, then minus 2 plus or minus here this is 20 is right as 2 root 5 by this is 2 into 4, then 2 you can cancel it, minus 1 plus or minus root 5 by 4. Actually here sine 18 degrees value is greater than 0. Greater than 0 means you can take only positive, that's why here root 5 minus 1 by 4. Don't take minus 1 minus, here two cases are possible, minus 1 minus root 5 by 4. This is also there, but here sine 18 degrees positive, that's why you have to take only positive. Okay, this is sine 18 degrees. Theta is equal to how many degrees? Here 18 degrees. That's why we can write here sine 18 degrees. Now you can find the cos. Here this is sine 18 degrees is equal to cos 72 degrees. This is value is cos 72 also possible. Why? Because it is right as sine 90 minus 72 is equal to sine 18 degrees. Then this is right as cos 72 degrees. Now you can find here cos 18 degrees. Cos 18 degrees is equal to under root of 1 minus sin square 18 degrees. Then here under root of 1 minus sin square 18. Here already we found here root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole square is equal to then 1 minus here this is after taking LCM this is 16 4 square 16 minus this is 5 plus 1 minus 2 root 5 by this is 4 square 16, then this is right as 4, then this is 16 minus 6 is equal to 10 minus of minus plus 2 root 5 by 4. This is the cos 18 degrees, and at the same time sin 72 degrees. Okay, now you can find the tan means sin by cos means you will get the answer. Okay, note down this one. Now we have to find the cos 36 degrees. Cos 36 degrees is equal to sin 54 degrees. How it is means here, cos 2a formula, cos 2a is equal to in terms of sin means 1 minus 2 sin square a, 2 sin square a. Okay, in terms of, okay, now this is 36 means cos 2 into 18 you can write here. 18 to 36, 1 minus here 2 into sin square. Here this is a is equal to 18, then you can write here 18. Then 1 minus here 2 into sin 18 degrees value, we know that root 5 minus 1 by 4. Root 5 minus 1 by 4, then you can write here whole square 1 minus 2 into this is a minus b whole square formula, pi plus 1 minus 2 root 5 by this is 4 4 is 16, 2 1 is 2 8 is. Now you can take LCM, 8 1 is 8 minus this is 6 plus 2 root 5 by this is 8 then this is 2 plus 2 root pi by 8, then denominator numerator you have to cancel 2, then root pi plus 1 by, this is 4. This is a cos 36 degrees. Cos 36 degrees is equal to root pi plus 1 by 4. This is equal to sine 54 degrees. Sine 54 degrees. Now we can find here sine 36 degrees means here sine square 36 is equal to 1 minus cos square 36 degrees. Then 1 minus root pi plus 1 by 4 whole square is equal to here 16 minus this is 5 plus 1 minus 2 root plus 2 root 5 by this is 16. See here, after you can take here LCM is 16, 16 ones are 16 minus this is a plus b whole square formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab, 5 plus 1 6, 16 minus 6 is equal to 10 plus 10 here minus into plus minus root 5 by 16, numerator and denominator divided by 2, here 5, 2 5s are 10, or otherwise you can leave it here sine square 36 is equal to under root over sine 36 is equal to under root over 10 minus 2 root 5 by this is 16 means 4. This is the sine square 36 is equal to cos 54 degrees. Now we have to find the 22 and half degrees values. Sine 22 and half and cos 22 and half and tan 22 and half. See here, this is also very easy. Here cos 22 and half degrees, how to find means, see here cos to a formula in terms of cos is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1. Now here this is write as cos 2 into a is equal to here 22 and half. Okay, 22 and half means you can 22 and half you can write here. Then this is 45 and here 2 into cos square here 22 and half minus 1. This one's and this side. Then 2 cos square 22 and half is equal to 1 plus cos 45 degrees. This is 22 and half by 2 means here 45. Then this is also going to its denominator, this is 2. Now you can write here 1 plus this value is 1 by root 2 by 2. Now you can take LCM root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. This is cos square 22 and half degrees. Now cos 22 and half degrees is equal to its square going that side means root under root over root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. This is cos 22 and half means this is equal to sine 67 and half degrees. Now at the same time you can find the cos also, sine also, sine 22 and half degrees. How to find sine 22 and half? See here cos 2a you can express in terms of sine 1 minus 2 sine square a. Then here sine square a is equal to 1 minus cos 2a by 2. Then 1 minus here cos 2a cos this is a sine 22 and half degrees. Then 1 minus cos this is 45 degrees by 2. 22 and half into 2 is 45. That's why you can write here 45 1 minus 1 by root 2 by 2. Then here also root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. This is a sine square 22 and half. Now sine 22 and half is equal to sine 22 and half degrees is equal to under root over root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Okay. Now you can take the tan means here tan 22 and half is equal to sine by cos. Sine by cos means here sine under root over root 2 minus 1 by here denominator cancel then root 2 plus 1. Thereafter you can rationalize the denominator means here then here 2 plus this is a minus b whole square formula 2 plus 1 minus 2 root 2 by this is a plus b into a minus b means here 1 then this is root here root 3 minus 2 root 2. Okay, note down. Okay, now we have to discuss about the transformation. What is the transformation? If the sum or difference of the trigonometric ratios transform into their product, this is called the transformation between the trigonometric ratios vice versa. If A and B are any two angles or A and B are any two angles, then A plus B is equal to C, and A minus B is equal to D. Here two angles A plus B and A minus B. A plus B is equal to C and A minus B is equal to, you can take D. Then the transformation of the sum or difference into the product then between the trigonometric ratios. How it is means, see here, sin A plus B plus sin A minus B is equal to 2 sin A cos A. See here. Now this is sum of these two trigonometric ratios is converted into the transformation. How it is, see here. Here A plus B is equal to C and A minus B is equal to D. Now you can add these two ratios. A plus A is equal to 2A is equal to C plus D, and A is equal to C plus D by 2. And once you have to subtract here, A plus B is equal to C and A minus B is equal to D. Then subtract here, then 2B is equal to C minus D and B is equal to C minus D by 2. Now see here. Here A plus B means what here? C, sin C plus sin D is equal to 2 sin A, instead of you can write here C plus D by 2. 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Understand clearly? Now this is first one. Second one you can write here sin A minus B plus sin A plus B minus sin A minus B is equal to 2 cos A sin B. Now here also you can write here sin C minus sin D is equal to 2 cos A plus C plus D by 2 into cos here sin C minus D by 2. This is the transformation form. This is either sum or difference of the trigonometric ratios you have to express in the form of product of trigonometric ratios. Is called the transformation. Okay, now see here some more formulas, transformation formulas. See here. See here each and everything. First one is sin C plus sin D is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Second one is sin C minus sin D is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. And third one, cos C plus cos D is equal to, actually cos C plus D plus cos C minus D is equal to 2 cos A cos B. Then here 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Next one is here cos C minus cos D is equal to 2 cos C plus minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. Overall 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin D minus C by 2, or D plus, you can write D plus C by 2. Here you can take minus and you can multiply with minus, means this is the transformation of the trigonometric ratios. Note down this one. Okay, next one more proof. See here. If cos x plus cos y is equal to, this is A, and sin x plus sin y is equal to B. Now here we have to prove that tan x plus y by 2. Tan x plus y by 2 is equal to B by A, first one. See how it is, very easy. See here. Cos x plus cos y is equal to A as given. Here you can apply here cos C plus cos D formula. 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2 is equal to, this is here. Now you can write here, this is sin x plus sin y is equal to sin x plus sin y is equal to here B as given. Now here also 2 sin x plus y by 2 into and cos x minus y by 2 is equal to B. This is 2 and this is 1. Now 2 by 1. 2 by 1 means here this is 2 sin x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2 is equal to B. Then whole by there 2 cos x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2 is by, this is a. Now this is cancel, here also cancel. Sin by cos is equal to tan x plus y by 2 is equal to, this is b by a. This is the first proof. Note down this one. Next, second proof is, okay, next one, see here, if cos x plus cos y is equal to a and sin x plus sin y is equal to b, then we proved this with tan x plus y by 2 is equal to b by a. Now only we proved. Now see here, sin x plus y is equal to, sin x plus y is equal to, here 2ab by a square plus b square. Now we have to prove this one. How we will prove? See here, here x plus y by 2 is equal to some k, you can write here. Then x plus y is equal to 2k. Now here, write here sin x plus y in terms of 2k. Then this is sin 2a formula. 2 sin, in terms of tan, you can write here 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. Tan square a. Then here k means here, k means what? K means here x plus y by 2. X plus y by 2 means here, again you can write here 2 tan x plus y by 2 by 1 plus here tan square x plus y by 2. Now we know that already k tan of x plus y by 2 value is called b by a. Now this is write as 2 into b by a by 1 minus b by a whole square, sorry 1 plus. Now it is write as 2b by a whole by, you can take here LCM a square, then a square plus b square by a square. Here one a cancel and this is going to numerator, then 2ab by a square plus b square. Now same here, cos 2a, cos x plus y, cos x plus y in terms of tan means 1 minus tan square x plus y by 2 by 1 minus tan square x plus y by 2. Actually this is multiple, this is submultiple angle, that's why you can write here 2. Then 1 minus, here tan square x by 2 means b by a whole square by 1 plus b by a whole square. Now this is write as a square minus b square by here a square plus b square. Now you can write here tan, how to write here? Tan x plus y is equal to here 2 tan x plus y by 2 by 1 minus tan square x plus y by 2. Then here 2 into b by a by 1 minus b square by a square. Now this is write as 2ab by a square minus b square. Note down this is 1. Okay, now we have to show that one result. This is important result. Here cos square alpha plus 120 plus cos square alpha minus 120 is equal to 3 by 2. Here alpha is some angle. Sometimes they are also given here 60 degrees, here 60 plus 120, 180 and 60 minus 120 is equal to 60 degrees. That like has given. Okay, now see here this proof. Here cos square alpha plus, this is cos square. Actually first we have to see here cos 2a formula in terms of cos is here 2 cos square minus 1. Then only we want cos square a is equal to this one and this side 1 plus cos 2a by this 2. Now where it is given cos square a, instead of you can write this one. Now 1 plus cos 2 alpha by 2 plus here cos 1 plus cos 2 into here a instead of here alpha plus 120 degrees has given by 2 plus 1 plus cos 2 times alpha minus 120 degrees by 2. Now you can write here 1 by 2 you can take common denominator. Here 1 plus 1 is equal to 3 plus cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 into alpha, 2 alpha plus 240 degrees plus cos 2 alpha minus 240 degrees. Now see here 1 by 2 into 3 plus here cos 2 alpha plus this is cos a plus a plus b plus cos a minus b is equal to 2 cos a cos b. 2 cos a into cos b. Understand clearly? This is cos. See here, cos a plus b plus cos a minus b is equal to 2 cos a cos b. 2 cos a cos b. Now see here, 1 by 2 into 3 plus cos 2 alpha plus 2 into cos 2 alpha. This is right as cos 270 minus 30 you can write here. 270 minus 30 means this is third quadrant. Third quadrant is cos is negative. Now this is odd right angles means this is sin 30. Sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 3 plus here cos 2 alpha plus 2 into here minus into plus minus 2 into cos 2 alpha. This is sin 30 degrees. Now see here, multiply here 3 by 2 plus 3 here 1 by 2 into cos 2 alpha minus 2 into this is cos 2 alpha into 1 by 2. This 2 to cancel. Cos 2 alpha plus 2 here you can take here. This is cancel. Then it is 0. Then its value is 3 by 2. Its value is 3 by 2. See here. This is one result. Note down. Important. Okay, next one more result. So that tan theta plus tan 60 plus theta plus tan 120 plus theta is equal to 3 tan 3 theta is equal to, see here tan theta plus here tan 60 plus theta, tan a plus b formula you can apply here. Tan 60 degrees plus tan theta whole by 1 minus tan 60 degrees into tan theta plus tan 120 is right as 90 plus 30. 90 tan a plus tan b means tan theta whole by 1 minus tan a tan b. Again you can write here tan 90 plus 30 120 is plus into tan theta. Now see here tan theta plus here tan 60 is equal to root 3 plus tan theta by 1 minus root 3 into tan theta plus here tan 90 plus 30 is equal to second quadrant it is negative, that's why this is 90 plus theta means cot theta minus, and here minus cot 30 is right as cot 30 is equal to root 3 plus tan theta whole by 1, here also cot 30 minus into minus plus here root 3 tan theta. Now take here tan theta plus only these two you can take here LCM a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, 3 tan square theta. Now you can write here 1 into root 3 plus tan theta plus here root 3 into root 3 tan theta plus here root 3 tan square theta. Here now minus root 3 into 1 minus root 3 minus into minus plus 3 tan theta, and here tan theta into 1 plus tan theta, and tan theta into minus root 3 tan square theta. Now any term is cancelled here, root 3 minus root 3 cancel, and root 3 tan square theta this is cancelled. Now you can write here, now you can take LCM here, tan theta plus 3 tan cube theta plus here tan theta plus 3 tan theta 4 tan theta 4 plus here 3 7 plus 1 8 tan theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Once again tan theta, just a minute, Okay, actually here tan theta into 1 tan theta minus means this is minus. Okay, now here tan theta plus 8 tan theta 9 tan theta minus 3 tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Now in numerator you have to take 3 common, then 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta whole by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Here 3 into, this is total is tan 3 theta. Then you can write here 3 into tan 3 theta. This is the result, important, note down. Okay, one more result we have to see here. Cos cube theta plus cos cube 120 plus theta plus cos cube 240 plus theta, or cos cube theta minus cos cube 60 minus theta plus cos cube 120 plus theta, or cos cube theta plus cos cube 240 minus theta minus cos cube 300 plus theta, or cos cube theta minus cos cube 60 plus theta minus cos cube 300 minus theta is equal to here 3 by 4 cos 3 theta. Here this is 4 result, same answer. I will prove this is first one. See here, remember you have to try same this slide. Okay, before going to start this problem, first we know that cos 3 theta formula 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Now this is expressed in terms of cos cube theta. Cos cube theta is equal to this is and this side cos 3 theta plus 3 cos theta by 4. Now where it is given cos cube theta, instead of you can write this one. Now cos 3 theta plus 3 cos theta by 4 plus, and cos 3 into theta means here 120 plus theta plus 3 into cos 120 plus theta by 4 plus here cos 3 into 240 plus theta plus cos 240 plus theta by 4. Now you have to take 1 by 4 is common. 1 by 4 is common. Now this is cos 3 theta plus 3 cos theta plus cos of here 3 into 120 360 plus 3 theta. Here 360 plus 3 theta plus 3 cos 120 plus theta plus here cos 3 into 20 240 so 720 plus theta plus cos 240 plus theta. Now see here 1 by 4 into this is cos 3 theta plus cos theta 3 cos theta plus 360 plus theta. Cos 360 plus theta means one complete rotation, and this is first quadrant means here cos only, cos 30 degrees, cos 3 theta not 30, 3 theta plus here this is 3 cos 120 plus theta plus here this is 720 means 360 2 times 720 means again first quadrant means here cos theta plus cos 240 plus theta. Now see here 1 by 4 into here cos 3 theta, here cos 3 theta, 2 cos 3 theta, 2 cos 3 theta plus 3 cos theta plus this is 1 cos theta, 4 cos theta, 4 cos theta plus here this is a 3 times of cos 120 and here 2 cos. Here I made a mistake here 3 cos theta, here this is 3 plus 3 cos 240 plus theta. Now here also 3 into theta 3 theta, this is 3 theta, then here also 3 theta, then this is 3 times 2 cos theta. Now this is correct. There is a duster. 1 second I will rewrite. Now this is 1 by 4 into cos 3 theta plus 3 cos theta plus this is also cos 3 theta plus this is 3 into cos 120. Here 3 you can take common, cos 120 plus theta, and here also this is 3 times cos 240 plus theta plus this is cos 3 theta, Now see here cos 3 theta, cos 3 theta, cos 3 theta, 3 times. 3 times 3 by 4 cos 3 theta, cos 3 theta, take outside, plus 1 by 4 into, here cos theta, 3 cos theta, 3 cos theta plus, or otherwise 3 you can take common here. This is also 3 you can write here, 3 by 4 into cos theta plus cos 120 plus theta plus cos 240 plus theta. Okay, now here cos C plus cos D. Here we will write, there is no place here, 3 by 4 cos 3 theta. This one you can apply here, cos A plus B plus cos A minus B is write as cos C here. As you can write here, 3 by 4 cos 3 theta plus 3 by 4 into cos theta plus here cos C A plus cos C plus cos D. You can write here cos 120 plus theta plus 240 plus theta by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. 120 plus theta minus 240 minus theta by 2. Now here 3 by 4 into cos 3 theta, 3 by 4 into cos 3 theta plus 3 by 4 into cos theta plus this is 360 plus 2 theta means 180 plus theta, cos 180 plus theta into cos, this is 120 minus 120, this is theta cancel by 2. Now this is 60. Now 3 by 4 into cos 3 theta plus 3 by 4 into cos theta. Here 180 plus theta means this is third quadrant minus, then here cos of theta, and this is cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Then here cos theta and here 2 theta. This is also 2 theta. Sorry, theta plus theta 2 theta. Then here this is also 2 theta by 2. 2 theta by 2 means here this is also theta. Okay, just a minute. Actually here this is 360 plus 2 theta means here 180 plus theta, this is correct, and this is 2 cos, here 2 cos C plus D by 2 and 2 sin 2 cos C minus D by 2, then here 2, then 2 times plus 2 times here plus into minus here 2 cos theta into this is 1 by 2, then 2 cancel. Now this is 3 by 4 into cos 3 theta and cos theta minus cos theta, this is 0, 3 by 4 into 0. At last this answer is 3 by 4 cos 3 theta. This is the result answer. Note down. Okay, here some results also there. Okay, this proof also there, but there is no time, that's why I am also not explain. Okay, if you want means you have to, if you want this proof means my YouTube channel is there. YouTube channel name is Baipalli Mathematics. Okay, you can see its proofs also. See here, first one is sin alpha plus beta plus sin alpha plus 2 beta plus up to so on sin alpha plus n minus 1 beta is equal to sin n beta by 2 by sin beta by 2 into sin of alpha plus n minus 1 by 2 into beta. Suppose in case of here sin instead of cos has given, means here sin n beta only has given, sin n beta by sin beta by 2 into here sin instead of, you can write here cos of alpha plus n minus 1 by 2 beta. Here beta is not equal to n pi 2n pi. Okay, see here same cos alpha plus beta plus cos alpha plus 2 beta plus up to so on cos alpha plus n minus 1 beta is equal to sin n beta by sin beta by 2 into cos of alpha plus n minus 1 beta by 2, where beta is not equal to 2n pi. Next one is under root of 2 plus under root of 2 plus up to so on under root of 2 plus 2 cos theta is equal to 2 into cos of theta by 2 power n. Here n means number of square roots. Here 3 means here you can write here 8, 2 cube. Okay. Now this is cos theta into cos 2 theta into cos square 2 theta into cos 2 to the power of n minus 1 theta is equal to cos here sin of 2 power n minus 1 2 power n theta by 2 power n into sin theta. Here theta is not equal to n pi. Next one is cos n pi by 2n plus 1 into cos 2 pi by 2n plus 1 into cos 3 pi by 2n plus 1 up to so on. Cos n pi by 2n plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2 to the power of n. Next one is 1 plus secant 2 theta into 1 plus secant 2 square theta plus up to so on 1 plus secant 2 power n theta is equal to tan into 2 power n theta by tan theta. These are result you have to keep it in your mind. Next class we have to discuss its problems. Thank you.